So I do love this desk. It has carbon fiber, but it is made with wood. It is very easy to clean. See, I have a microfiber cloth. You can see there's fur, which is the main reason why I have a black setup, to see the fur from my animal. And you can just, a clean cloth, you can just wipe it off, just like that. Like, there's fur back there. Just wipe it, boom, off. Now, I do recommend this. This was pretty easy to install. The fabric drawers are a lot bigger than I had expected. So trust me when I say that. These fabric drawers hold a lot in them. I have a whole, there's still space back there. These are very big fabric drawers. I have a mid-tower, sorry, my rabbit is sneezing. You okay? Okay. I have a mid-tower PC. So it is about 17 in length, 18 in length, and even in width, there is still a good amount of space. See, I have it all the way down back here, and I still have this much space. Pretty good in height. It might be, all this is, but trust me, this can hold a good amount, a good size. So if you are looking for a full high tower PC, it will not fit in here. You have space up here to put whatever you want. Very easy to install. The RGB is right there. It comes with, I don't know if it comes with those. No, that's something else. But honestly, I do love this desk. It's very easy for me to install. You have so much space, like, just kick around as much as you want. You can have the PC on the right or on the left. Now, I love having my PC on the right side of me, which is the main reason why I got this desk. There's not a whole lot that have it on the right. Well, I'm not having it as an L, because as you see, I don't have space for an L desk. It's very nice. I really do like this desk. It's good quality, much as I rage out. It's always held up. This is the bottom of it. I was able to put a boom arm here. Honestly, so much space. This is a big mouse pad. This is, like, I believe a large size mouse pad. It's very good. It can fit a lot on it. I do recommend this. I have a 27-inch monitor, so it covers about that much. You can fit 2 monitors in here easily. You can put your PC right here. It looks nice. I do recommend this.
All right, so unfortunately I already put this thing together, and so I don't have an unboxing of everything that was in it. However, this is the finished product, and I really enjoy it. Well, I don't enjoy it, the kids enjoy it, because I got it for them, for a place to do homework and play video games. So everything is good to go. The drawers are really big. I really like that, to where they can store pretty much anything you want. As you can see, this is a case for the Nintendo Switch, right? And if you gauge that as kind of just room, I mean, there's a good inch and a half of room there. So that's good to go. And 3 drawers. I had all of this stuff in a TV stand, and I was like, it had 2 sides and everything. I was like, oh man, it's not gonna fit, but everything fit, and it fit nicely. So that was really good. I was really pleased with that. Everything able to get in here nice and neat. All the games in. It's really sturdy. And the lights work really well. To where so the lights really cool, bunch of different modes, methods, really look good when I got them up under here. Change them however you want, bunch of different modes where you can just change illuminations and then on and off. So that's pretty cool. You got storage, you got places. This setup here is not like, I added Velcro and added these for controllers, so that does not come with it, but it looked like a really good place to store the controller. So the shelf is really great. This is, you could use it for a computer stand. Obviously I'm using it for for game systems and whatnot. So I think it's, it works really well. And also on this side, it has a headphone storage place as well. So overall, I really like it. It was really easy to put together, and honestly, I have no complaints. So yeah, I definitely would recommend it. It was super easy to put together, and I didn't have any issues. The instructions, I think, were pretty good. Honestly, I can't remember, unfortunately. So, but obviously, I put a lot of things together, so I didn't have any issues. So, good to go.
So, I'm just moving in here, forgive the mess, but you deserve to see this. That's that part. But this is this part. Lights look great, color changing, mode changing. I chose to have mine here. But let me get the picture. Beautiful desk.
Funciona perfecto, los botones, excelente.
Family picture, you know Father Time, we all know Mother Nature. It's all in the family.